Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the TMP Group. I'm Tom. Today is Tuesday. It is January 11th, 2022, and we've got a good one for you. As the thumbnail indicated, I want to talk just very briefly on Cassava Sciences, ticker symbol SAVA, and finish up with Netlist, nlst. Before we jump into it, I do need to remind everyone that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a licensed trader. I'm not a financial advisor. No members of the TMP Group are professional brokers or licensed brokers or traders. We are simply individuals that are looking to generate and create generational wealth. We're trying to create wealth chains for our families and our families' families that go well beyond our generation. And we do believe that no matter where you are in the market right now, no amount is too little and no amount is too much. Put what you can in the market and let it go. If you like what you hear today, I would ask that you leave me a thumbs up. That's going to help the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help get this video out to more people. If you hit subscribe, you'll hear more from our channel. We cover a variety of different stocks and different strategies. You are going to find that typically, pretty much 100% of the time, we're not going to come at you with a bunch of fundamental analysis, a bunch of charts. Literally just going to give our opinion on which stocks we are in and which stocks we're selling, what we're holding for the long term, and which stocks we're trading. As a member of the TMP Group and a founding member, my philosophy is pretty simple. I like to invest 80% of my money for long term. Long term meaning that I'm going to hold on to it for the next 5 to 7 to 10 to 20 years, and maybe never get rid of it. Again, just put it in a trust and pass it on. And the other 20% is going to be speculative. So yesterday I did a video on some stocks that we sold out of. There was about 6 of them. And then we transferred that money into 3 positions, which were add-on positions, and started 2 new positions. So if you missed that video, go back and look at it. It was done about 24 hours ago. But the 2 positions that we did jump into, and the new positions that we bought, number 1, Cassava Sciences. And Cassava Sciences trades under ticker symbol SAVA. It is the pharmaceutical biotech that is in stage 3 right now for its Alzheimer drug, and looks very promising. And we believe that Cassava has the potential of a 10x here in the very near future, if not more. And why do we think that? So if you look back at Biogen not too long ago, Biogen, their product did get approved, although it did go against many expert recommendations not to approve it. And that brought a lot of attention to the Alzheimer market, the Alzheimer drug market, and it brought a lot of awareness to Cassava. So when we bought Cassava yesterday, we bought right around $47. It's trading just above 49 today. And we see a large runway. We believe that, that Cassava could be the next biotech stock to hit triple digits and maybe 3x from there. So if we get to $100 and then 3x, we're looking at 300. And conservatively, I think from 50 to 300 is only a 6x. So, over the next 12 to 24 months, this stock does have potential of 10xing. I do want you to do your own homework, do your own due diligence on Cassava, ticker symbol SAVA. And if you're in Cassava right now, leave me something down in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. Again, they are in stage 3 trials on 2 different platforms. And it won't take much for this stock to move on the approval. Okay, stock number 2, Netlist, trades under ticker symbol nlst. Netlist is the computer software company that did bring its technology to Google within the past 10 years. And it basically told Google that they could make their search faster. And of course, in today's technology, everybody wants things at lightning speed. They did all the due diligence. They did all the things right with Google. They signed all the contracts. However, somewhere along the line, the courts have ruled that Google has violated those contracts and that they were using Netlist's proprietary information against the contract that they had put together. And the 12th, which is tomorrow, January 12th, there will be a hearing on a settlement. So it's not a matter of if there will be a settlement, it will be when and how much. The talks of the settlement are anywhere from $12 to $15 billion, which would take this stock, which trades right around $6.50, nlst, it would value that stock somewhere around $65 to $70. So that's a very speculative play. If they kick the can down the road and the hearing does not go with any conclusion, but it's open-ended, then we could see a drop in Netlist. I believe the downside risk is about 20% where we're at here, meaning that the stock could go from $6 down to $4.50, $4.75, but the upside is huge. We think that this thing has a chance of another 10x, going from $6.50 to $65. Again, very speculative play. Cassava, SAVA, is equally speculative, being in the pharma biotech, and Netlist is also a spec play. But when you're putting your money in the market, we always say the best investment you can make is investment on yourself and investment in your future. We do need to generate funds so we can invest in our blue chip stocks, and take a look at a stock's profile over the past 5 years, and you'll see what it has done, what kind of track record it has. You are not able to find this, obviously, with Netlist. Netlist is an OTC. If you're unable to purchase OTC stocks, find a brokerage that you can. My preferred brokerage is TD Ameritrade, but you'll see a couple of links down below, one link for Robinhood, one for Webull. This will allow you to buy fractional shares. And then there's also a couple of links for trading cryptocurrency. I have a link down for crypto.com, which is my number one platform. I love the Crow coin. I love the card that they have, the prepaid Visa card. I can put a bunch of cash on that card, and then I can spend it and get paid a percentage back in Crow coin. And then I have a link for Coinbase, and I believe Coinbase is still giving away free Bitcoin when you do just an email and ID verification. So check out the links. It's good to have a couple different platforms. I like to invest with TD Ameritrade. I like to put my trades, whether it be a swing trade or an option play, either in Webull or Robinhood, and that's why we have multiple accounts. Okay, hope you learned a little bit. A couple of stocks to look at. SAVA, catalyst there would be the conclusion of their stage 3 trial, and then of course Netlist, nlst, with the not ruling, but the hearing coming up tomorrow. And take a look. If it's something that's right for you, get into it. Again, thanks for making it all the way to the end of the video. I appreciate the support. I hope that everyone has had a great day. Most of the portfolios throughout the TMP group were green by a 2 to 3% upside overall. And I hope to see you on the next video.